Hello guys, welcome to iTech Studios. In this video, I'll show you how to speed up your PC or laptop for free without any software. Without wasting much time, let's jump right into it. The first step is the power option. In this step, you head to the right bottom corner of your taskbar and you right click on the battery icon and you click on power option. In the open window, you look for high performance. If you don't have it here, you head to the left side of the window and click create a power plan. You get to see three options here: the balanced, power saver and high performance. Then you choose high performance and you click next and you click create. That's all for this step. The next step is disable unused startup programs. In this step, you need to access your task manager, and the easiest way to access your task manager is to right click anywhere on the taskbar and click on task manager. Then you head to the startup option. You get to see the startup status of manually installed programs on your PC. So you have to disable the startup status of programs you don't frequently use or you don't really need. So you just right click on it and you click disable. That's all for this step, and it will help you achieve a fast boot time and a high speed performance. The next step is defragment and optimization. In this step, you head to the search icon and you click on it. Then you type in defragment and optimize drive. It will pop up, then you click on it to launch it. This utility is designed to increase data access speed by rearranging files that's already stored on your PC, and then it is designed for HDD users, not SSD users, because the SSD drives were already made to access files easier and faster, so they have a short seek time in accessing files, unlike the HDD users. So in this step, you just select the drive that you want to optimize and then you click optimize and you wait for a few seconds, then it's done. You can do same for the C, which is mostly important, but it just takes a little while for it to complete. That's all for this step. The next step is cleaning up memory, and then in this step you head to the Windows icon and you right click on it, then you click on run, then you type in prefetch, you click OK. In the open window, you highlight all the files and folder in the window and then you delete them. We wait for it to finish and then you check the do this for all current items and then you skip. That is files that are unable to delete. That's all for this one, and then you head again to the Windows icon and you right click on it, then you choose run once more and you type in %temp%, then you click OK. As you did for the prefetch, you highlight all files and folder in this window, then you delete it as well, and you check the box do this for all current items, then you click skip. That is, these files can be deleted. You wait for a while for it to delete. Then you close the window. That's all for this step 2. The next step is disk cleanup. For this step, you click on the search icon on the taskbar once more and then you type in disk cleanup. Then you click on disk cleanup on the pop-up. Then you choose drive C and you click OK. For here, you click on clean up system files. Then you select the disk one more and you click OK. It will calculate for the size of unwanted files or folders that the computer doesn't need anymore. You wait for a while to complete its calculation. Windows Update Cleaner, you have it here. Microsoft Defender Antivirus. You get to see tons of data that your computer doesn't really need anymore, and as it says here, you can use this cleanup to free up to 6.59 GB of space. So you click OK and then you click delete files and you wait for this cleanup to clean up the drive. Then you are done. Then you are done with this step as well. And the last step is reduce runtime services. For this step, you head to your Windows icon once more and you right click on it and you click on run. Then you type in msconfig and you hit OK. In the open window, you click on services and you head to the left bottom corner of the window and you click hide all Microsoft services and you click disable all on the right side. Then you click apply and you click OK. And that's all for this step. After that, you take a quick restart to make all these effects to take place. That's all for this video, guys. If you found this video to be helpful, click on the like button and then don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. If you have any question, hit me up at the comment section for replies. Thank you very much.